Hello everyone and welcome. I'm so glad you're here with us today. The holidays are a magical time of year, aren't they? The twinkling lights, the festive decorations, and the joyous gatherings all contribute to a season filled with wonder and delight. It's a time for family, friends, and creating beautiful memories together. Whether it's sharing a meal, exchanging gifts, or simply enjoying each other's company, these moments are what make the holidays truly special. But let's be honest, the lead up to the holidays can sometimes feel a little overwhelming. The pressure to make everything perfect can take a toll on our well-being. There are gifts to buy, meals to plan, decorations to put up. The list seems endless. The hustle and bustle can leave us feeling more stressed than joyful. But what if I told you that this year could be different? Imagine a holiday season where you feel calm, organized, and truly able to enjoy the festivities. You see, just like when we tidy our homes, we can also tidy our time and commitments, creating space for what truly sparks joy during the holiday season. By being intentional with our time, we can focus on what matters most. It's about making conscious choices about how we spend our time and energy so that we can fully embrace the spirit of the holidays. This means prioritizing activities that bring us joy and letting go of those that don't. So, are you ready to experience a truly joyful and stress-free holiday season? Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have everything under control and can fully immerse yourself in the holiday cheer. I'm so excited to share 5 simple yet effective time management strategies that will help you do just that. These tips will not only help you stay organized but also ensure that you have plenty of time to enjoy the magic of the season. So let's dive in and make this holiday season the best one yet. Let's begin by taking a deep, calming breath. Feel the air fill your lungs, and as you exhale, let go of any tension you might be holding on to. This moment is about finding peace and clarity amidst the holiday hustle and bustle. Now, imagine holding your to-do list in your hands. It's filled with tasks, big and small, each one vying for your attention. The holiday season can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Does it spark joy, or does it make your shoulders tense up just a little? The key to a joyful holiday season lies in how we manage our time and energy. Don't worry, we've all been there. It's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of activities and forget what truly matters. The first step to reclaiming our time is to create a list of everything we need to do. This might seem daunting at first, but it's a crucial step in organizing our thoughts and plans. Write it all down, from baking cookies to wrapping presents, from sending holiday cards to planning festive outfits. No task is too small or too big to be included, to planning your festive outfits. Each task represents a piece of the holiday puzzle, contributing to the overall experience. Now, take a moment to look at each item on your list. Reflect on its importance and how it aligns with your vision for the holidays. Ask yourself, does this task spark joy? Does it bring a smile to your face or a sense of accomplishment? Does it truly contribute to the holiday experience I want to create? If the answer is no, it might be time to reconsider its place on your list. If it doesn't, perhaps it's something you can let go of this year. Letting go of non-essential tasks can free up time and energy for what truly matters. For the tasks that remain, let's prioritize them. Determine which ones are most important and which ones can be done later. Some tasks are time-sensitive, like booking flights or mailing gifts. These should be at the top of your list to ensure they get done on time. Others might be more flexible. These can be scheduled around the more urgent tasks, allowing you to manage your time more effectively. By prioritizing, we create a clear roadmap for our time, ensuring that the most important things get done. This not only helps in managing our tasks, but also in enjoying the holiday season to its fullest. Remember, the goal is to create a joyful and memorable holiday experience, not to overwhelm ourselves with endless tasks. So, take a deep breath, prioritize, and embrace the joy of the season. The holidays are often filled with grand expectations, aren't they? We envision perfect gatherings, beautifully decorated homes, and a sense of magic in the air. These images are often inspired by movies, social media, and glossy magazine spreads that depict an idealized version of the season, but sometimes these expectations, while well-intentioned, can lead to unnecessary pressure. We start to feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks on our to-do lists, from shopping for the perfect gifts to preparing elaborate meals. The stress can overshadow the joy that the holidays are supposed to bring. We might find ourselves trying to recreate the perfect holiday spread from a magazine, or saying yes to every single invitation. The desire to meet these high standards can make us forget what truly matters. We get caught up in the hustle and bustle, losing sight of the simple pleasures that make the season special. Remember, it's okay to release the pressure of perfection. Taking a step back and breathing can help us refocus on what's truly important. The holidays are about connection, love, and creating memories, not about achieving an unattainable ideal. Instead of aiming for an idealized version of the holidays, let's focus on setting realistic and achievable goals. This might mean simplifying our plans and prioritizing what brings us genuine happiness. It's about finding joy in the achievable, rather than striving for perfection. Instead of a 7-course meal, perhaps this year, you try a new recipe for a simple but delicious dessert. Baking together can be a fun and rewarding activity that brings the family closer. It's these small, shared moments that create lasting memories. Or instead of elaborate decorations, maybe you focus on creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere with candles and natural elements. A few well-placed decorations can transform your home into a warm and welcoming space without the need for extravagance. By setting realistic goals, we create space for joy and spontaneity. We allow ourselves to be present in the moment, enjoying the company of loved ones and the simple pleasures of the season. This approach can lead to a more fulfilling and stress-free holiday experience. We allow ourselves to savor the process, rather than getting caught up in the pursuit of an unrealistic ideal. By embracing a more achievable approach, we can find true joy and contentment in the holiday season, making it a time of genuine happiness and connection. Now that we have a prioritized list and realistic goals, let's talk about how to keep track of everything. A calendar, whether it's a physical planner or a digital app, can be our most valuable tool during the holiday season. Think of your calendar as a compass, guiding you through the busy weeks ahead. Schedule in your essential tasks and appointments, from holiday parties to gift shopping trips. But remember, our calendars should also include space for rest and rejuvenation. Block out time for yourself, time to read a book, take a long bath, or simply relax and do nothing at all. By visually mapping out our time, we gain a sense of control and clarity. We can see where our time is going and make conscious choices about how we want to spend it. The holidays are a time for togetherness, and that includes sharing the load when it comes to holiday preparations. Delegating tasks is not a sign of weakness. It's a way to create a more joyful and balanced experience for everyone. Talk to your family and friends. See if there are tasks they'd be happy to take on. Perhaps your sibling loves to bake and would be thrilled to handle the dessert for your holiday gathering. Or maybe a friend enjoys wrapping gifts and would be happy to lend a hand. Remember, delegating is about sharing the joy of the season. It's about creating opportunities for connection and collaboration. In the midst of the holiday hustle and bustle, it's easy to forget the most important person of all, ourselves. Self-care is not selfish. It's essential for maintaining our energy and joy throughout the holiday season. Make time for activities that nourish your soul. It could be a walk in nature, listening to your favorite music, or enjoying a cup of tea in silence. Remember, when we take care of ourselves, we have more to give to others. We approach our holiday tasks with a sense of calm and presence, rather than feeling depleted and overwhelmed. So as you move through the holiday season, remember to check in with yourself. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? How can I show myself some love and care? As we bring this journey to a close, I want to remind you that the holidays are a time for celebration, connection, and joy. By implementing these simple yet powerful time management strategies, you can create space for what truly matters. Remember to prioritize your tasks, set realistic goals, and use a calendar to stay organized. Don't be afraid to delegate, and most importantly, make time for self-care. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you a joyous, peaceful, and truly magical holiday season. By implementing these strategies, you can make the most of your holiday season without feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Happy holidays.